Hey guys, here is a jig that you can make to increase baseboard heating efficiency in your home, or in your clients' homes for that matter. When you push a couch up against a wall with baseboard heater, you're restricting the airflow, and that causes the heater to function inefficiently, takes longer to heat up the room, and wastes energy. Baseboard heaters, they run horizontal along many exterior walls. It's almost impossible to place furniture in a room without blocking some portion of a baseboard heater. Hot water baseboard heating systems, they depend on air flowing through the numerous aluminum convector fins that surround a copper pipe. Cool air basically enters from the bottom, rises up across those fins, and it circulates back into the room and comes back. Because the heater's location is at floor level, it creates a continuous circulation that provides a natural, continuous heat as long as there's nothing blocking it. Now, I made these standoff jigs to keep my couch off the wall in order to allow sufficient airflow and not block the baseboard radiator. I made the blocks to purposely keep the couch about 1.5 inches off the wall and allow that airflow space along the wall and to work better, more efficient. You can make these larger if you need to, and obviously create more space if you'd like. Sizing the jig. So to determine the size of your standoff jig, you need to position your couch right up to the wall and then position it the number of inches you want off the wall. Once you've done that, you put the couch in position, measure the distance from the wall directly below that heater to the couch leg. That's going to give you that measurement. Then I just used 3/4 scrap plywood and I cut it about 6 inches wide by about 10 inches long. That allowed me to cut a 1-inch deep channel or notch to cradle that couch leg. And I made the notch about 3 inches wide so it could accommodate future couch legs and be moved around a bit. The notch keeps the jig in place so it doesn't get bumped out by, say, a vacuum or if someone jumps or bumps the couch. I do want to warn you guys a little bit about electric baseboard heaters. Most of them, they operate on 240 volts of power and they can get hot. Blocking electric radiators with furniture can cause them to overheat and create a possible fire hazard. This jig can help with that. I also want to mention that you need to keep the baseboard heater fins clean. Now, we talk about the baseboard heaters have these fins and they operate best when the air can flow through them, right? So if air is obstructed, either by dust buildup or pet fur or something covering the top of the heating unit, such as drapes, or maybe the bottom is built up from carpet, that's going to cause problems. So keeping those fins clean and open increases the heating efficiency. Additionally, the baseboard heat radiator should be cleaned, actually vacuumed once a year or more if you have dogs or cats. We did a video on how to do this and I'll post a link in the video description below. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, I know it was a short, quick tip, please give us a thumbs up or consider subscribing. Also, please consider supporting our channel by becoming a channel member. I'm Rob Robillard, and we'll see you next time here at ConcordCarpenter.com. Stay healthy, stay safe. Take care.